Are there good hospitals in China? Is there good equipment? How do you know whether, as a patient, as a family of a patient, you should choose to come to China for certain treatment? Why China's healthcare system is hard to read from outside. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the system, how to access it, and how to help you, your friends, and your family, or yourself. Let's first begin by talking about information. Many people who have not come to China for health think that there's a lot of information available. One impressive hospital, another, some incurable disease has a new way of treatment, or how many patients hospitals treat a year. It's mind-boggling. So from all of that, technically, somebody not from China or has not been to China would think that there's good service, good clinical experience, good technology, and overall. But where do you start? Is it accessible to you? Fragments may be true, but we still need a way to really understand it in real life. To add to the mix, hospitals in China are as varied as you probably would have anywhere else in the world. There are public hospitals, very large, many of them, private hospitals, normally specialty hospitals, international hospitals, smaller generally, but have good interface into the international community. And depending on the particular solution you require, you will look at what overall infrastructure a particular hospital has, from front end to back, from the treatment itself to rehab. Online platforms are also very robust. For simple diagnosis, people could ask for a scooter rider to come to their house and give them the sample, and within a few hours, you will get the results. Imaging is very convenient in this country, and generally you can get MRI or PET CT on the day, and they're world-class equipment. Let's talk more about oncology. To give you some numbers, China has a quarter to maybe 1/3 of the world's new cases of cancer every year. It is not a good number. We have a huge population here. So yes, that gives some excuses, and the population is aging. They're living longer. However, because of years of development, change in habits, change in the environment, many things contributed to this huge number in oncology. So, in fact, the ability to treat cancer is also quite robust because of this. In the early years, one could probably understand that Chinese surgeons have great capabilities thanks to the number of patients they have to give surgeries to a day, sometimes 20 surgeries a day, large ones too. So which one is the best hospital? That may not be the right question to ask. Instead, depending on what type of diagnosis you've already had, or your family has already had, budget, familiarity with the landscape, language, timing, and past experience with various treatment, for example, radiation therapy. No family should have to face cancer alone, cross-border blindly. without clarity, preparation, or somebody they can trust. So that's why we're here. My team at Radian Future Health has developed years of relationship with oncology hospitals here in China. We started in capital, worked in medical equipment. We know the experts. We know who's who. We could call them and find out where you or your family should go. We'll give you the following services at Radian Future Health. First, we'll give you a trusted second opinion. We'll prepare the case for you and your family and give you a serious review from an appropriate oncology specialist. Then, if you decide to travel, then we'll prepare your case. We'll sort through the records. We'll translate the key documents. We'll look at your imaging. We'll prepare your medical timeline. We'll identify missing records, if there is any. We'll look at the scans, pathology, and past radiation records. And for those cases that are appropriate for proton or heavy ion, we will go to specialists, world-class experts in China and beyond. Let us know what you need. We're here to help. Thank you for choosing Radian Future Health Services.